Valentin Debise once again proved himself to be one of the most dangerous riders in the 2026 World Supersport Series. After a difficult weekend at Aragon, the EASTROC ZXMoto factory Evan Broa's racing rider arrived at Misano with one goal: to bounce back and return to the front of the pack. From the moment the Super Pole session began, Debise immediately showed promising speed. The French rider consistently stayed in the top group and was able to maximize the performance of his ZXMoto bike at one of the most technical circuits on the WorldSSP calendar. While his rivals tried to improve their lap times, Debise remained calm and focused on putting together a competitive lap. Drama unfolded with less than 3 minutes remaining in the session. Hector Garzo's crash at turn 13 forced the red flag to be waved, halting the qualifying session. Once the session resumed, the riders had only a very limited amount of time to complete one final lap. However, for Debise, his best lap time was already strong enough. He secured third place just 0.114 seconds behind pole sitter Oncu. This result places him on the front row alongside Oncu and Albert Arenas, marking his third consecutive front row start of the season. This achievement serves as a crucial foundation for Debise and ZXMoto as they prepare for the race at Misano. After finishing 8th twice in the previous round at Aragon, the opportunity to reach the podium is now wide open once again. His single lap pace has been proven, and the next challenge is to turn that ideal starting position into a strong result when the starting lights go out. With increasingly consistent performance and growing confidence, Valentin Debise is ready to lead ZXMoto in the fight for the podium at Misano. In fact, if everything goes according to plan, a victory is no longer just a dream. Thanks for watching.